Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 5th of September 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Greece is expected to add only 300 megawatts of wind capacity in 2025, after installing 152 megawatts during the first half of the year. Greece is expected to install more wind farms from now on, with 490 megawatts in 2026 and between 350 to 450 megawatts each year until 2030. Cumulative installed capacity currently stands at just over 5.5 gigawatts and is projected to reach 7.48 gigawatts by the end of this decade. State-owned power utility Elektroprivreda Srbije and the Government of Serbia plan to develop a 500 megawatts wind farm project with a strategic partner. Increasing the balancing reserve is crucial for integrating new renewable energy sources into the power system. Integrating new renewable energy sources into the power system could lead to a shortage of balancing reserves. The main focus of this study will be optimizing surplus electricity from intermittent renewable energy sources. Turkey will hold its second round of renewable energy capacity allocation tenders this year, offering 2,000 megawatts for new wind and solar power plants in November and December. Of that, 1,150 megawatts will be allocated for wind projects and 850 for solar, in line with the government's annual target of adding 2 gigawatts of renewable capacity. The guaranteed electricity purchase agreements will be priced in euros rather than US dollars. The bidding will start at 55 euros per megawatt hour, with floor prices set at 35 euros for wind and 32.5 euros for solar. In a recent study, Gdańsk University of Technology in Poland explored this potential by incorporating shredded composite material from end-of-life wind turbine blades into mortar mixtures. Their aim was to evaluate whether these recycled fibers could serve as partial replacements for either cement or aggregate. While fine SC particles may offer environmental advantages, they contribute less to structural performance, likely due to limited bonding with the cement matrix and the increased void space they introduce. Government-owned Coal India has launched tenders for 3 gigawatts of solar and 2 gigawatts of wind power capacities. They are inviting turnkey bids covering all stages of project execution, from design and construction to commissioning and operation and maintenance. The bid submission windows close on September 16th. Coal India seeks to reach up to 9.5 gigawatts of renewable power capacity by 2030 through a phased rollout. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.